It's my 1996 Crown Victoria. Got 170,000 miles on it. Parked it last night. Started up this morning. Had a racket. Been trying to figure out what it was. What it is a flex plate that's cracked. I'm 99.9% sure. Going to demonstrate what happens with the noise that occurs when a flex plate breaks or cracked. First thing I started looking for was timing gear. Something wrong with them. Nothing wrong with the timing gear. Took the valve cover off. Couldn't find nothing wrong with the valves. Timing, nothing wrong with the timing. Engine runs just fine. Just a heck of a racket. Put stethoscope on the engine everywhere. Most of the noise was coming from the bell housing.